Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. This is day 15 of our 30-day English learning challenge. We're so happy you're still with us. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it now so you don't miss the next lessons.
For day 15, we're doing something really fun and inspiring. We're going to learn English to Taylor Swift's beautiful lyrics. Taylor isn't just a singer, she's also a storyteller and a poet. Her words are full of imagery, metaphors, and deep emotions.
Exactly. So today we'll share some of her most powerful words and expressions, explain what they mean, and show you how you can use them to improve your English.
Section 1. Beautiful vocabulary. Let's begin with some individual words. The first one is enchanted. Taylor uses it in her song, Enchanted. It means magically charmed or delighted. Imagine meeting someone who makes you feel amazed. You can say, I'm enchanted to meet you.
That's such a lovely word. Another one is evermore. It means forever, endlessly. Taylor used it as the title of one of her albums. For example, Their Love Will Last Evermore. It sounds more poetic than just saying forever.
Yes, and how about delicate? It means fragile, soft, easy to break. In her song Delicate, she describes a new relationship that feels fragile, like it could be broken if you're not careful.
Another word I really love is timeless. It means something that never gets old, never fades with time. For example, her beauty is timeless. Taylor used timeless in her songs to describe love that never changes.
And don't forget labyrinth. A labyrinth is a complicated maze, and Taylor uses it to describe feeling lost in emotions. For example, falling in love again is like walking through a labyrinth.
These words are poetic and emotional. They make your English more expressive, not just basic.
Section 2. Poetic expressions. Taylor doesn't just use single words. She writes full poetic lines. One of the most famous comes from All Too Well. You kept me like a secret, but I kept you like an oath.
That's so powerful. A secret is something hidden, but an oath is a serious promise. She compares how differently two people valued their relationship.
Another example is from Begin Again. I've been spending the last 8 months thinking all love ever does is break and burn and end. But on a Wednesday in a cafe, I watched it begin again.
That's almost like a short story. She uses 3 strong verbs, break, burn, and end, to describe pain, but then she gives us hope by saying love can begin again.
Exactly. Taylor shows us how vocabulary and storytelling can mix together. That's why her English feels so emotional.
Section 3. Imagery and lyrics. Another special thing about Taylor's lyrics is imagery, painting pictures with words. For example, in Red, she sings, Loving him was red.
Here, the color red is used as a metaphor. It represents passion, intensity, and danger. She doesn't just say, love was strong. She makes you see it and feel it.
In Wildest Dreams, she says, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset. That creates a mental image. You can almost see the scene in your head, like a movie.
That's a great lesson for English learners. When you describe something, don't just give facts. Use imagery to make your language more alive.
Section 4. Lessons for English learners. So, what can we learn from Taylor Swift lyrics as English students?
First, don't limit yourself to textbooks. Songs and poetry are powerful tools for learning new words and expressions.
Second, learn how to express emotions. Instead of saying, I'm sad, you could use a phrase like, I feel like I'm walking through a labyrinth. That sounds deeper and more artistic.
Third, practice with repetition. If you love a song, listen to it, read the lyrics, and sing along. This helps you remember words naturally.
And finally, don't be afraid to use beautiful words in daily life. English isn't just for communication. It can also be creative and expressive.
So, that's it for day 15 of our English Learning Challenge. Today we explored some of the most beautiful words and poetic lines from Taylor Swift's songs.
We hope you not only learned new vocabulary, but also felt inspired to use English more creatively. Remember, language is more than rules. It's about expressing emotions.
Don't forget to subscribe to Learn English Moments so you can join us tomorrow for day 16.
Thank you for learning with us. And remember, English can be timeless, enchanting, and evermore. See you next time.